Most people never receive grant funding, and it's probably not for the reason you think. It's not because there's no money. Usually it's because they don't know where to find the grant funds, the right grants that matches their vision and their mission. Or one of the biggest reasons is they don't know how to write a proposal that gets funded. I'm Cheryl Sally, the founder of Legacy Leaders Business Development Institute. And for nearly 40 years, I've helped entrepreneurs, nonprofits, churches, community organizations build successful entities. And now I want to help you secure the funding that you need for your vision. So join me in this upcoming webinar on how to write a winning grant proposal. And what I want to do before August 12th is the deadline for you to receive 50% off of your registration cost for this webinar. And I'm going to give you that code, the promo code, to receive your 50% off. Also, I am going to provide you with a free, that's right, free guide on the top 10 categories of places where you can look for grant funding for your organization. One little personal thing that's near and dear to my heart that I want to ask of you, if you've ever been inspired by me or encouraged, or if I've collaborated with you, or if I've helped you along the way, along your business journey, I would be honored if you would share this video with someone you know would benefit from this webinar. So click the registration link that I'm going to leave in the comments or above, and use this grant code to get your 50% off before August 12th. And that grant code is grant 50, all one phrase, grant 50. Okay. Type got it if you got all of this. Type got it in the comments and I will look to see you on the webinar. Remember, your vision deserves funding. Your purpose deserves a plan, and your legacy deserves to live on. All right, I'm going to see you in the webinar.